This video will demonstrate how to obtain and apply your Primo license. First, you must install the software. A tutorial video on how to install the Primo software is available on Impro's YouTube channel. Once the software is installed, navigate to the Primo installation bin folder. Run the Get Machine ID application as administrator. A Machine ID folder will be created with a text file of your machine's MAC address and UUID. Send the Machine ID text file to your Impro approved distributor. You will in return receive a license config zip file, which is your Primo license. Next, we will look at applying the license. Step 1. Shut down the Primo server application. Primo is currently running in demo mode. In the Systems tray on the taskbar, right-click on the Primo icon and click on Exit and click on Yes. Step 2. Extract the license file. After receiving your new license key, extract the license config zip file to the root directory where Primo is installed. Do not place it inside the Primo folder. You should now see a license config folder in the root directory. Run the Primo exe from the bin folder. You will notice we are no longer in demo mode. The software is now licensed and ready for site commissioning. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.